Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 8 against the Xiaomi Mi 9. So we have the Snapdragon 845 CPU going up against the Snapdragon 855 CPU. Both of the phones have 6GB of RAM. Is there going to be a major difference between the two phones? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Xiaomi Mi 8. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Then we have the Xiaomi Mi 9. It also has a 1080p AMOLED display. Again, it's on Android 9 Pie. It has the new Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Mi 9 wins by 6 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the scores are tied at 10 points each. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Mi 9 won by a massive 6 points. However, in round 2, the scores were tied at 10 points each. As for the price difference, they're priced very similar depending on where you buy it from. I bought mine from Amazon Spain, so it may differ from where you buy it. If you already own the Mi 8, then it's probably not worth buying the Mi 9 unless you want that GPU performance on emulation. And overall, the Mi 9 is better than the Mi 8, and it will be a difficult phone to beat in terms of pricing. So what are your thoughts about this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.